I don't know when the round will start. Okay, I think we will end it in few minutes. We're gonna wait. Look at my outfit. It match a little bit. Yeah. Ooh, I have some now. I got it. Please donate in the live stream. I got some Robux, so I'm just waiting for my Robux to come. Then I'm gonna change my hair and my look. I don't have so many Robux for my face, so we're gonna just change hair. If I want Robux, maybe you need to go to Please Donate and you spam your usernames in live stream. If the live stream is 7 hours long, so don't spam. Why? That can be repeated, so don't spam. But you can do like 1 to 6 hours. I don't know. Between I think so there was the live stream, so you can spam your username. Not a lot of views, so if that's so much views, then will take so much time. So do like a little bit, like 20, 60, I see, like this. So you can have Robux there, which I spam my username. I just got 5. Oh, cool. And they take 70% of figures, so I got 3. I'm just waiting a lot. So I just want to get my hair. Like choosing my hair. I would like black pigtails. They're so cute. And my face is okay. I don't care. I just want to change my avatar. That's okay. I look so cute. Okay. Oh my god, this start when. Now the Easter update is gone. Oh, I got the rainbow effect. I have all the eggs. See? Red eggs, 10. In the round, and then we gotta vote for new base. Lord. Oh, cool. Please murder. Okay. Sometimes I'm lucky. I got first round murder. Sometimes I'm lucky. Sometimes I'm not lucky and I don't get murder. Girl is just jumping. Oh, I want to get this shitty sheep's gun. I don't know who's murder. I think it's this girl. No, this not. Let's see. No, she's not murder. Someone else is murder. Someone else is murder. Oh my god, I'm so glitchy. Why am I glitchy? Okay, I'm gonna go home. I don't want to die. Ah, that Joe. Okay, cool. Round and round and round and round and round. Okay, of course I'm going to die. Okay, cool. Oh, cool. Okay, now I'm gonna wait. Okay, this girl is pretend to have headers. Wow. Blossom. Okay. We're gonna wait again. Okay. Hello everyone. Okay. So guys, I'm Sharif. Yo. Okay, we're gonna go up. So then I'm gonna die. See you soon. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go up. Please, I don't want to do. Okay, KK. Who died, really? I did not see who died. Oh, let's do something. Yes, finally. Who died? I think the skeleton is the murder. The guy scared me to hell. Yeah! And died. Okay. I think we'll get point. Yo, something better. See, 30 minutes. That's cool. 30 minutes is cool. I'm not that. I'm not that pretty sheriff too. Normal. Office. Skeleton is like black. His bones, he was smoking around, and his bones are all black. Now he have no skin. He's skinless. No, he's a skeleton. He's not a human. Yo. What? Innocent. Oh my god. I'm gonna... innocent. Okay, now we're gonna see where to hide and this is the sheriff. Then if I will get the sheriff is... Why me? Oh my god. Why was I first? What the hell's my problem? The girl's crying. She's... Oh my god. Okay. Romy, what do you want? I'm apparently broke. Understand this. Oh my god. I don't have access. Let's try it. Sorry, I cannot try my ice cream. That's my babe. God, these are all rares. No, thank you. No, thank you. Oh, she got so she goes so easily. Gondoli. Okay. In my inventory, I had just have this. Oh my god, what you want, Roby? His name is Roby. What a fun name. Take something. No. I don't like this. Sorry. I don't like it. If you give me forest, I will trade it, of course. I want more times to open the... Oh, I did the ribbon effect is so cool, guys. Did you get the ribbon effects? Tell me in the comments. The ribbon effect, but in my I think don't show that. Do I think so? I see a little bit, but show a little bit. So that's okay. Sadly, from edit. I think you know this summer. Okay. Guys, jumping. Hell, no. Okay, I'm gonna go there now for no reason. Don't kill him. Go up, guy. Go up. She's gonna die. She gonna die. Oh my god. Floating. Hey. Why are you? Guy, that's cute. No. Don't get. No. Baker, kill. Please, Baker. I have to survive this one. God, he's floating. Oh, not like me, normal person. Look at that. See that? That's ridiculous. Kill the guy. Finally. Level God. Oh, I had that emotion, so I'm gonna cheer. I'm gonna get the thing. This time, alright, I know this would be the ninja rest. Yeah, that's okay, man. Someone guy, I'm gonna do the ninja rest, bro. What the hell name is that? I don't like that name. So horrible. Okay, this can take a lot of time, and I'm gonna be murdered. So this is my last round. Let's go. Please murder. Yes! Okay, cool. Now I should go down. Okay, let's wait. Here. I believe I can start. What the horrible music? Okay. Hello. Oh, Sharify. I'm not a camper. I hate camping. So look at that. Okay. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Okay, we're gonna go here. Oh my god, taste this radio kitty. Yes. Okay, this time we're gonna know that I have luck. Yeah, I'm toast. Oh my god. Cool. Oh man, yes. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna end. So I really... Okay, goodbye everyone. Bye bye.